receive safe, dignified, and compassionate care.
Piny owacho Kaonti Homa Bay okinyi ma kawuono yango ikruok magiseketo mar rakruok gi midhiero minyalo kel kod koth mar El Nino. Kanolosi kinde yango chendo makamago, Gavana Homa Bay Gladys Wanga wacho ni osendiko ne piny gwenge ma hinyo yudo ula mapek. Wacho ni tend kaunti biro neno ni jodak duto ket kama kare kapok koth madongo kata koth mapek no ochakore.
This is why we are here today, to launch.
No government can sustain this response on their own. And that is why we must have a robust resource mobilization plan, so that we reach out to our partners, to as many people as possible to help us during this season, so that even after the El Nino, we don't come out and all we can do within the financial year is only to respond to the effects of El Nino and not do any other programs.
El Nino will actually uproot even trees. It will cause the blackout everywhere in this county and in the entire, possibly the region. The El Nino effects will make the lake to swell and also rivers also to swell. So it is coming. So let us prepared to act swiftly when we are being called upon.
We plan as communications to go on radio, to communicate with our local radio stations and even the national radio stations. I'm sure the national government will also be doing its part where communications is concerned, and we'll just be replicating the same down here just to ensure that our people are well informed and they are ready.